Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Spotify gift card, tell you where you can buy it and what it's used for. So first, you can buy these anywhere. If you just search on Google, you'll see you can find them at Target, Walmart, even Costco has them, Amazon, all over the place, even PayPal. So all sorts of options. You can get an e-gift card or a physical one, and if you get a physical one, you just scratch off the thing on the back. To redeem that, you go onto spotify.com/redeem, and depending on your region, a different screen will be pulled up. In mine, it says /US on here, and you can only redeem it in the region that you're actually in. So if you buy one in Europe and you travel to another country, you won't be able to redeem it there. You got to do it wherever you're located. So then you put in that code, you put in your mailing address, select that you're not a robot, and you redeem that. Things you can use it on are a premium individual plan only, so you can't apply it to a family plan or a duo plan, etc. So if you're using Spotify free, or you know someone using Spotify free, they can redeem that for an individual premium plan. And as a bonus, I wanted to share my favorite thing about using Spotify Premium. I use Spotify Premium almost every day. And what I didn't know when I signed up is that you can get audiobooks on here. So you can listen to 15 hours of audiobooks per month. I used to have an Audible account, and I canceled that because with Spotify Premium, you can also listen to audiobooks. One of my favorites, I've been listening to Mel Brooks' All About Me biography. I love the movie Spaceballs and some of the other stuff he's produced. So I have run up to the limit before where I listened to 15 hours and then I had to wait a day or two until the start of the month to continue listening. But it's a great perk. You can download that, all sorts of cool things with Spotify Premium. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you get a Spotify Premium gift card, you can redeem that online right here. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and give it a like, and we'll see you again soon.